Well, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the Mike Bassett Weather Forecast channel. I hope everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far, and hope everybody has a great evening out there as well this evening also. And stay safe and well. Alrighty. Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about the forecast charts. We're going to take a look at the National Weather Service Watches, Warning, Advisory maps. Excuse me. We're going to take a look at the National Weather Service radar view across the lower 48. And also we're going to take a look at the snowfall total over the next 16 days. Alrighty, across the lower 48. Let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast. But first, like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. And if you like my forecast content, consider subscribing to my channel. That's all I wanted to say. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast now. This is your forecast for Thursday, March 23rd. We got quiet conditions along the southeast United States. We got mixed precipitation over the northeastern United States from a portion of Michigan through Toronto, Canada, all the way into New York State, all the way up into a portion of Maine, a little bit of snow over northern Maine. We have shower and thunderstorms extending from PA all the way back into Texas and portions of Kansas. We have some flash flooding issues possible in the red slashed area, some severe weather expected in the yellow slashed areas. Also, we have showers extending also from around the Washington, D.C. area all the way up into the Boston area as well. High pressure centered over the North Dakota, South Dakota region as well. We got mixed precipitation, snow flying in the west from near New Mexico all the way back up to Vancouver, Canada. Also in the Seattle, Washington area all the way down into Oregon. We got rain showers extending from just north of San Francisco all the way up into portions of the Pacific Ocean just off the Canada coast. And also we have a little bit of mixed precipitation down over Southern California. Alrighty, now here's a look at your Friday forecast for March 24. We got quiet conditions over the northeast United States. Still got some dry conditions still over portions of Southern Virginia, central and eastern North Carolina, central and eastern South Carolina, southeast Georgia, and all of Florida. Except the panhandle of Florida, you expect some shower and thunderstorm in your region. Also, we got mixed precipitation flying over here, freezing rain falling also in portions of New York State, PA, back into Toronto, Canada, all the way into Michigan, and all the way back into Iowa. Like I said, got a big real estate area of shower and thunderstorm. Got some severe weather both should be happening in this yellow slashed area. Flash flooding is expected in the red slashed area. We have mixed precipitation and snow flying from near Vancouver, Canada, through Washington and Oregon, all the way into Nevada, all the way back into New Mexico. Got a little bit in California, and pretty much got even mixed precipitation falling offshore in the Pacific Ocean from near Washington State all the way to near San Francisco. And it's pretty quiet across southwest Texas, southern New Mexico, southern Arizona, and southern California, and southern Nevada. Alright, let's move on to the Watches, Warning, and Advisory map across the lower 48. As you can see, we got 2 counties in winter weather advisory over northern Maine. Still got quiet conditions along the east coast from southern Maine all the way down into Florida, all the way into Louisiana and much of Texas. Flash flood watches have been posted from central Oklahoma all the way into a portion of Indiana and also into Ohio and northwest Kentucky. We have a few little winter weather advisories over Nebraska. Excuse me. Also, we have high wind warning, red flag warnings in effect for a portion of New Mexico, Colorado. Now we in Kansas and also Oklahoma and Texas. Wind advisories also over southern New Mexico. We got winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings also over here in California, all the way up into Washington State. Hydro issues over Montana. A little pocket of wind advisory also in Nevada, and also winter weather advisory over Nevada in one county there as well. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar here. There's that little activity over the Carolinas here that will continue to move on out later tonight. It will be offshore into the Atlantic waters. Here's that little system here producing some mixed precipitation there, and also there's some more snow and stuff flying over southern Canada and also up around New York State. Also, we got more mixed precipitation, shower activity extending from near Minnesota back through Kansas, Wyoming, and also back over to Colorado, Utah, and also over here around California as well. Also, southern Texas is dry, and also northern portion of the United States from Montana over toward northern Minnesota is dry as well. All right, finally, here's a look at the snowfall totals over the next 16 days. We got quiet conditions across the southeast. No snow for you guys, so don't have to worry about that. Some heavy snow accumulation possible over the northeastern United States. Also over in the southern Canada. Also back over here in the over southern Canada, over here near Vancouver vicinity as well. Washington State into the Rocky Mountains. Also into the Sierra Mountain as well. Might get some good snows as well. Central portion of the United States will get some good snow, but a lot of these snow totals where you see about 16 to 15 to 13 to 21 and 20, you can cut them down to about half, but you will see snow in your vicinity. Alrighty, well, that concludes this evening's forecast. Hope everybody has a great evening, and will enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Smash the subscribe button if you like my weather content. Like these videos, share these videos, and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And we'll catch you back in the next